is Jim, and I am from Nigeria, a country in West Africa. The reason why I chose social work was because since my stay in Australia, I'm this kind of person that I believe that everybody deserves to enjoy equal benefit, equal social right, regardless of our socio-economic background and situation. And I began to see people on the street begging, and I was like, in a country like Australia, if people are begging on the street, I could utilize the privilege of studying social work, so that because as an international student, I'm entitled to work to work in the country after my degree, so I can basically work in the field and gain the experience and exposure. Being that Australia is a Western country, then utilize these characteristics and skills to advocate for equal rights in my country, because my country really suffer a great loop in the social welfare system. So with that thought in my mind, I was like, yeah. And again, I'm a person that's really vocal, very very vocal, that can really I can really speak. So I felt like, yeah, this should be an opportunity for me to really, delve into social work. Yeah, and that's why I'm studying social work. Yeah, in my home country, I studied mechanical engineering. I used to have passion for cars, and then I studied engineering, and then just working, passively in the field. Yeah, since studying this course, it's really gave me what I was looking for, basically, because social work, as the course is, being able to interact with people in the environment, being able to socially interact with people, so it's really broadened my horizon, because already, like I said earlier, I've got this inherent characteristic of being able to speak and advocate. Yeah, so it has really, studying the course has really improved that. And to be honest, when you already have this characteristic, this feature in you, and there's something you're doing, consolidate and brings out this characteristic. Yeah, so the course has really done that, and to be honest, I am happy studying the course. It just gave me excitement, because the course is also very practical. It relates to what we see. There's no a concept that is hidden. It is just evidence based, and it's evident, and it's something that is really practical. You could see around you, and it's very easy to assimilate. And with the course curriculum, to be honest, the curriculum, it just really makes it easy for an individual, regardless of your background, to be able to assimilate, to be able to really relate with the course. You don't have to have any prior background with it before you can actually study this course. So the curriculum is, for me, it's an impressive one for anybody. So it just makes it easy for anybody to really be able to excel and succeed in the field. Personally, I really admire the way this course has been going for me. There's always an excitement when you are having some challenges, and the staff are really giving you listening ears, and there's this responsiveness I get from staff so far. It's really it make me feel elated, right? And again, as an international student coming to a new country, there might be some certain fears and all that, but being that you are getting this accessibility to your teaching staffs, yeah, it's makes you feel comfortable. And I really admire that a lot about IHM. Yeah, after social work, my plan is to really work in the sector, and also I want to get a bachelor, because I see myself as a future advocate. Yeah, because I have this born desire in me to really be able to make an imprint, because personally, I'm going to die one day, but before I die, I want a situation where I will be able to do something that is different, especially in my country, because we really lack and this social welfare system. And I want to really make an imprint, make a situation where I will be able to utilize the skill and then the characteristic I have got in me in studying the course, and even going further to be able to make that imprint, which I think I want to make. Yeah, like I said, as an international student coming to a new country, there's this kind of fear you might be, probably inherent fear that might you might be having. But since coming to IHM, like the staff and student relationship and the international support has been really impressive. For me, I feel like everything I want, I'm getting it, because there's flexibility. When I'm having problem with my courses, I'm able to access my lecturers easily. Then when I want to relate with the external support, once I come to the reception, I contact whichever person that is in charge, I just get it seamlessly, without any qualms. To be honest, it's something that I really admire about the institution. So of course, yeah, I would really recommend anybody to study at IHM.